I had Pod Bros Media, the best in the business, help me with this idea that's been trapped for the last couple of years. I bought a gadget here, a gadget there, a camera here, and a camera there, trying to make my content look a little bit better, and I was never happy with it. And I'd see Nick at events and see the content he was putting out for others, and recently the beautiful studio he built, and I said, I just can't put out sub-rate content anymore, Nick. I need you to come out. And I finally pulled the trigger, and I couldn't be happier. The rest is history. I love the set design. We've actually got two different sets, one for interviewing people, one here for first-person content that I'll be doing on a daily basis. Everything's working better than I would have expected it to. No more screwing around. I couldn't recommend Nick and Pod Bros Media anymore. You definitely want to work with the right person, and Nick and team are definitely the right people. But if you're making content today, or you're thinking about making content, and you want to make sure you're doing it at the right level, I highly recommend Pod Bros Media.